Okay, we are live. We're going to talk about this particular application, and I'll walk you through the data sets of this particular application, and we'll take it from here. It's basically how a display screen, which is nothing but the UI, what is the tech behind this UI, and how this UI is facilitating in terms of so many aspects. The first and the foremost thing is the screen time. I mean, even before reading the pattern application, the problem statement for the longest time has been, um, as kids, we were growing up. So it was always said that, don't watch too much of television, otherwise the eyesight, which is basically nothing but the concave and the convex lens, and how different angles of the focal point is going to change. Um, that being said, we'll just wait for a few more moments before I start this discussion. In the meantime, I'll just fetch the data regarding this particular application, and we will continue from there. Okay, this particular application I was talking about is the IPC classification, which is the International Patent Classification of the WIPO, which is World Intellectual Property Organization, headquartered in Geneva. The broader aspect is it's under G, which is physics, then optics, G not 2, G not 2F, which is optical devices for arrangement for the control of light by modification of the optical properties of the media of the elements and therein, non-linear optics, frequency changing of light, optical logic elements, optical analog digital converters. And what do we have? Devices are arrangement for the control of the intensity, color, phase, polarization, or direction of light arriving from independent light source, like switching, gating, modulating, non-linear optics. Then blah 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 blah, color, blah blah blah. So basically, it's an electronic ink display and a manufacturing method. Um, we will look into the problem statement first. So basically, it is electrophoretic display technology. We will be touch basing on liquid crystal display. So it's a lot of Chinese player very active in this arena. So basically, in this particular technology, the technology is enabling application of low voltage devices, that is 3 volts, expands the application of large microcapsules, which is greater than 80 microns, and addresses the issues of compressed space with coated microcapsules. So basically, this is facilitating the multi-particle and color visualization. And dum, dum, dum. So I'll be I'll having a definition section here. So I'll be putting the data first in an article format and then particularly talk about this. And if I have to just fetch this data into a granular format, so basically, so it sends electrical signals to the pixel electrodes on the TFT, that is thin film transistor substrate. These signals control the movement of the electrophoretic particles within the microcapsules of the electronic ink by applying the electric fields. The IC module can manipulate the arrangement of the particles, making the display show what you want to see. It's like conductor of an orchestra, directing every pixel to create the overall image. I like the wording of this. I mean, quite klug that way. So basically, in this particular case, the IC module of this particular display design, which is a UI in itself, is a display screen personal assistant, which ensures the function of it. The, uh, the quality is very high and the efficiency because it is receiving the correct electrical signals, processes the display data, and manages the power, enhances the display performance. So I will give the. Did I give the link? Okay, I haven't shared the link yet. So, so I'll collate everything, put it into data format. Probably I'll make a smart contract out of it. I think it's quite a good uh, research to be condensed into a smart contract, and let's see what happens next. Thank you for watching our video. Have a great day ahead.